Yeah, it's your boy Sapphire NYC. Let's get it in. Now I mean, I said, yo, these niggas homos. All this rap ain't the same. You fucking ghostwriters. Your boys writing raps in the rain. Fuck a freestyle and had to make change. I'm trying to get through to these cats. Tell me what I have for them saying. Embassy to embassy. You know they ask for my name, but I ain't ashamed. Bigger than all the shackles and chains dividing my frame. Never been the wet, really. I ain't blind from the pain, despite all the gains. I'm trying to improvise for the fame. Soon revise for the aim. What's the plan A and plan B? When my mind never change, a breakthrough is the disposition. Comprised of a grain, I will remain, I'm ether. I need dollars, dollars, dollars is what I need. Hey, hey, I need dollars, dollars, dollars is what I need. Hey, hey. I need dollars, dollars, dollars is what I need. And if I share with you my story, will you share your dollars with me?